So this is day 3. This morning, Sandy's packing up. I was eavesdropping on Sandy. She didn't know I was waking up. Said, Lola. I said, I miss you, Lola.
My Lola miss me, dude.
Yeah, so basically, I'm awake.
Finally.
I am awake.
What time is it anyway?
It's 7:30.
Oh, I thought she called me later than that.
Anyways, yeah.
You got a wake-up call.
I'm awake. She didn't I wasn't awake. She pulled my blanket. That was so cold. All my blanket fell. All my pillow fell too.
Howie.
Housekeeper won't like this. Yeah, full of shit here.
There's some boys.
Oh shit. That's spoons and forks. Sandy's reloading from the theme park from yesterday.
Whatever you said.
Yeah, we don't know if we're gonna go to Chinatown and eat dim sum, because we don't know if we have enough time.
We'll try.
But right now, I'm pretty sure I'm going to Koreatown, I don't care, for sure, because this, like, you don't have it.
We're gonna still give this a cat, though.
Anyways, yeah, we're gonna go to Koreatown, then UCLA.
What the hell? I didn't even want Dora.
Oh, you didn't check it?
Fucking shit. Give me one Dora and one Curious George.
It got ripped off.
Bitch, I want both Curious George.
Oh, you could give the door to Cat.
Fine, whatever.
Give the crap one to Cat. Oh man, Cat, if you heard this, you see what Sandy's doing?
No. I'll see which one you want.
I'm tired. We went to sleep like what? 12, 1 something.
You even won something. You said that too.
No, we're not.
Yes, we did.
It's almost 2. Well, I don't know where we sleep though. I know it's tired.
Forgot about that. So, we eat on the plane.
Yeah. I gotta pack up and we're gonna go check in. So, we're at UCLA. This is the UCLA store. We're gonna see it later. Right now, we're at this campus. This other part of the campus. Oh, it's so far. Oh my god. I am gonna die, I swear. I said it's like get hit by the car. Anyway. I think it's on the phone again. Talking to my Lola. I think that's part of it.
Are you like...
Anyways, this is really tiring. Here's a nice view. Here's how UCLA look like. Cat, look, UCLA. You don't even want to come here, trust me. So dying. There's the first 200 UCLA bridge. NCAA champion athlete. I don't know if you guys can see it. I think we could go check it out. There's a beer. There's a beer. Anyway, fucking Sandy's leaving again.
I'm not like a regular tour guide. I'm not one of those 2-hour tour guides. Usually the session's too big, so the tour guide can usually walk like 2 hours, 2.5 hours.
I guess Sandy's leaving. Look, there goes another building. Look, that's the store. The store is not even open yet. Well, there's so much toy people. How can Sandy walking hella fast? Try to ditch me. I should get lost. Man, so basically this is part of the UCLA tour. We walk more than 6 blocks. So we walked more than 6 blocks. We got lost.
But then we're like
So Sandy was about to turn left.
kind of at the hill.
I mean, turn right. And we almost got lost again because she wanted to turn right while she's talking on the phone with Lola. And then knowing me, when she don't even listen to me. Yeah, I know, it's kind of weird. But whatever. Hey, she's right there. She's like bitching talking on the phone again. You're wasting minutes!
Huh?
You're wasting minutes! There's a bunch of people up there. Oh, you love to see them. This is how the tree look like. They have some nice trees, except for this side. When we were walking, it was so much better.
For real?
And this is the phone. And she don't know where she's going. Fucking bitch, she went the wrong way too. Stupid Sandy. And she said she's always lost. And she's talking on the phone, making excuses, annoying me. What a retarded thing to do. Now I'm still recording. Yeah. Fucking bitch is walking again. You gotta stop cussing. I want to say bitch to her so many times because she's talking so much to me and she's like annoying me when she's talking on the phone. We're walking here for no reason because she made us walk this way and then they all she's walking the other way.
I thought I went to the right way, though.
She thought she went to the right way. That's what she said. Anyway, because we're gonna tour around later on. Just so far we're still trying to figure out where to find her damn friend. I don't know who the hell is her friend. Taking so long. Whatever.
We're at the UCLA store, and we're looking around. Look around.
Look at that cheerleader stuff.
For little kids too.
It's full of basketballs, some monkeys. I never expected they would sell these kind of kiddie-ish stuff. Oh look, I want to get this for Sandy's son.
Whatever.
Sandy's son.
Thank
Yeah.
you, though.
Yeah, your future son, yo. Cute. We're trying to find this jacket. Yeah. See, it was supposed to be something like this. We're trying to find the jacket. We're getting this for a cat. Yeah.
You better be happy.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure by the time you see this video, you got your sweater already.
And you'll be hugging it.
Hugging it. She don't even hug it. She kiss it. Just kidding. Hi. We're not representing LA. We're representing the school. Oh, how about this one?
No. This is ugly.
Yeah, we're trying to figure out which one is the regular where they always wear it. There's one of them. It's not really kids. It's big kids anyway. I'm pretty sure. No sweatpants. Hi. How about this color? This one is better than that color.
I hate this part. So ugly.
What do you want? Pop out shit?
No. Fine, do whatever.
Like I said, she's picky. Sandy's picky. Told you, Kat, you're alright. She is picky the whole time. Listen. I don't know what the heck what color you like, Sandy. I mean, Sandy. That's like Sandy. Cat. Looking into stuff. Oh yeah, this is nice. This one? Oh, this is a surprise, so you don't get to see the rest. So basically, we're still at the gift shop. Yeah, we bought some stuff. We try to find some. Ooh, there's new shoes. We're trying to find some stuff. We gotta go soon. I ran out of money. We need to go find an ATM. Whatever. Cause usually I'm running out of money, and I think I'm going to get killed by my mom and dad. Okay, sorry. Wasted $200. Well, that was fast. Anyways, so yeah, pretty much it.